Hey guys, this is Royal Enfield of my friends Hari Krishna who came from Sulurpet. Hi Hari.